For a walk, you need to go get your collar, okay? Go get your collar. Where's your collar? Hurry up, Chloe. You're moving slow. Get your collar. Chica. She's having a little trouble. Where is it? Where's your collar? Are you sure it's there? Shiva, you better go help her. She's having a hard time getting it. Here it is. Bring it here, Chloe. You want to go for a walk? You gonna go for a walk? Where's your collar? Come on, Chloe. All right. Everybody's happy now. You want to go? You want to get in the car? You gonna get in the car?
Oh, you taking me out of the water?
Yeah, I'm gonna button the boat up.
Get in the car.
Oh.
We're gonna go swimming.
So she goes, she'll
Not till you go.
take them swimming all.